Well, there it is, the finished product. Hey guys, it's me again. I just wanted to show you what I was working on. Taking some little time off of work. I had to get some errands done this morning and decided that I would start working on this project. What this was, or as you can see right now, you can see these boards that are laid up here. I reclaimed all those. I just got done spending about 2 hours pulling nails and stuff and trying to decide what I'm going to do with it. But some shelving, because I really need some shelving in the back of the shop, which you probably haven't seen that yet. And now they start the tractor. I guess that's what happens when you live out in the country. But anyway, that is what I'm doing, and I'll give you more of an update when I have one. Alright, see you in a few. I'm back. I've come up with an idea. I think I'm actually going to use all of that reclaimed lumber for my shelving, because it'll be nice and strong and I can use it for putting anything on. And I'm going to make one of the heights, or one of the levels, let me get that straight up here. Well, it doesn't want to turn, but I can get one of the levels to actually be table height, just in case. But one of the tables just the right height, so in case I want to move the top one off of there, let's see, if I want to remove the top shelf, I can actually use this one as a table. That's just in case. Whether I do it or not, I don't know. But that's what I'm going to do now. So, and all these boards, I took the shortest one and cut the legs. As you can see here, the legs right here are just what I need. One of them, of course, you can see that one right there is a little bit short, but that's going to be kind of hidden up underneath the rafter anyway, since my shop isn't that high anyway. So what I'm going to do is I've already got marked on the one board. I'm going to clamp them together. So once they're clamped together, I'll be cutting them all the same and then knock it off. And I'm actually going to lay the board this way on it, so that when it'll add more strength this way, and then I'll add runners back and forth that'll actually keep it up high. So here I go. saw and go in here and make all my cuts. Get the right fit, dip. I'm going to set my saw to the height of this board. Because that's all the deeper I need to go. Wow, I've already almost got it there. Must have done this before. Okay, all right. I'm gonna get my safety gear. And start cutting away. apart from the phone call. You'll notice here, let me bring it closer, you can see. I'm hoping you can see. You can see these cuts that I made all the way through there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock them all out and then see if that board actually fits back in here. If it doesn't, while I've still got it clamped, I'll go ahead and shave it so it does. I should just put these in the trash right away. Grandkids probably love to play with them. If I drop them on the ground, I gotta pick them all up since this is in the carport right now. So now I can use a screwdriver and just clear this out. Alright, I'm going to just see if that's wide enough because I'm going to have to take a chisel in here and clean all that out so that it's all level. I think maybe one more pass down that one side would be good. I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Do it on the top though. Let's see how that does. For some reason it got uneven there. Okay. Now, let's see how that works. Yep, that'll work good. It comes up a little bit more on that, but that's alright because that'll shrink back down. It'll tighten back down as soon as I get all this inside here cut away. I'm going to do the same on the other end, and I'm going to chisel this out and clean it out, and then I'll be back. Well, here we go. Got 32-inch boards to go across here, and then and it actually, believe it or not, it worked out to where 5 of these same boards stacked this way, obviously like this, fit in here just perfect. And I just happen to have a total of 12 boards. Let's see, 11 boards. I cut another one up. 11 boards, and that's how I'm going to use it. This ought to work out really nice. I'm kind of happy with this idea. For lumber that was being thrown away into a garbage bin, all I had to do was take all the nails out, which was all of that mess down inside there. I'd take all that off of the wood, but hey, all we're doing here is making it work. So out of what we got, and really that's basically what this channel is all about. I don't know if you can see me or not. I can't see me, so you must not be able to there. So that's really what this channel is all about. Obviously here's the camper I built from scratch. I'm just finishing it up. Here's the other two boards, 2 legs that I'm going to use in the shop, and all the way across for my camper. But anyway, that's another video. So anyway, this is what we're doing. Talk to you later. Well, there it is, the finished product. As you can see, it took, without even measuring, it took 5 boards right here, which was amazing. So I got 2 shelves, one here and up there, and yeah, it'll be tight here in the corner, but I'll put all my camping gear up there. But there we go. That project is finished.